Welcome to our guide on setting up diffusion models for video synthesis. Today, we'll learn how to configure and initialize these models to generate high-quality videos from scratch in AI-driven environments.
Did you know that diffusion models can revolutionize the way we create videos? These models, pivotal in AI-driven environments, enable the generation of high-quality videos from scratch. In this video, we'll dive into the setup process of diffusion models, ensuring you can harness their full potential for your projects. From understanding the basics to configuring parameters, we'll cover it all. Setting up diffusion models starts with ensuring your hardware and software are up to the task. At a minimum, you'll need a powerful GPU, like an NVIDIA RTX series, and at least 16 GB of RAM for smooth processing. On the software side, having the latest version of Python and related libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch is crucial. We'll also look at compatibility issues to watch out for and how to set up your development environment to avoid common pitfalls. With the right setup, you're already halfway to generating stunning video content. With your hardware ready, it's time to install the necessary libraries. These include TensorFlow or PyTorch, along with libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. We'll walk you through the installation process step by step, helping you tackle common issues such as version mismatches or missing dependencies. Ensuring your libraries are correctly installed and up to date will lay a solid foundation for building and running your diffusion models. Configuring the parameters of your diffusion model is a critical step that affects the quality and efficiency of your video synthesis. We'll explore key parameters such as learning rate, batch size, and number of diffusion steps. Understanding how to adjust these settings allows you to optimize the model's performance and tailor the output to your specific needs. We'll also discuss how experimenting with different configurations can lead to better results, and how to save your configurations for future projects.
The success of your diffusion models hinges on the quality of the datasets you use. Preparing your datasets involves selecting high-quality video clips that are relevant to your synthesis goals. We'll guide you through the process of cleaning, augmenting, and loading your data into the model. Strategies for handling large datasets efficiently will also be covered, ensuring your data remains consistent and integral throughout the process. By the end of this segment, you'll know how to prepare and manage datasets that maximize the potential of diffusion models.
Now that everything is set up, it's time to run your diffusion model. This initial setup run is crucial for monitoring how the model processes video synthesis. You'll learn how to interpret the initial outputs, identify any errors or warnings, and understand what these outputs mean for your project's success. Based on this feedback, fine-tuning your setup becomes easier, ensuring that subsequent runs yield better results. This block will empower you to confidently execute and refine your diffusion models for optimal performance. Even with the best preparations, setup issues can occur. This section focuses on common problems you might face, such as error messages during execution or configuration mismatches. We'll provide a comprehensive guide to troubleshooting these issues, including practical steps to resolve them and resources to consult if you get stuck. Knowing when and how to seek expert help can save you time and frustration, ensuring your diffusion models are up and running smoothly. Once your diffusion models are running, optimization is key to enhancing performance. We'll explore strategies to improve model efficiency, reduce computation time, and enhance the quality of your video outputs. Balancing resources to ensure your system runs seamlessly without overloading is also crucial. Continuous monitoring of your model's performance allows you to make informed adjustments, keeping your video synthesis process at its best. These tips will help you achieve high-quality results efficiently, making your AI-driven projects more effective. You've now learned how to set up diffusion models for video synthesis, a crucial step in generating high-quality AI-driven content. Remember, the key to mastering these models is practice and innovation. We encourage you to experiment with different settings and share your experiences with our community. If you found this video helpful, please comment below, share it with your peers, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create content that serves you better.